Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Notepad and placing the cursor where the emoji should appear. Press Win+. To open the emoji panel, this provides the fastest set of icons. If you're on a touch device, use the touch keyboard emoji. Once the panel is open, click an emoji to insert it immediately. Make sure Notepad is the active window, otherwise the picker won't paste into the document. This short step gets you writing with icons right away. Once an emoji is inserted, make sure it displays correctly by switching Notepad's font to Seago UI emoji. This font supports color glyphs and prevents empty boxes. If an emoji is missing, open Character Map or the emoji panel, copy the symbol, then paste it into Notepad. For multiple repeats, select the emoji and use Ctrl+C then Ctrl+V to duplicate quickly. Make sure to save periodically so you don't lose inserted icons, and remember why font choice matters for visible results. To finish, save your Notepad file using File Save As and choose UTF-8 encoding so emoji characters are preserved across systems. Once saved, reopen the file to confirm emoji render correctly and test it on another device if sharing. If you see empty squares or question marks, change Notepad's font back to Seago UI emoji or open the file in a Unicode-aware editor that supports color emoji. If that fails, copy the emoji into a web app to confirm the character itself is valid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.